Hey Adam, what's the relationship between knee pain relief and weight loss?
Knee pain relief and weight loss. That's actually a great question, and really that question is why VSlim, or a weight loss program, is part of our knee repair, not knee replacement program here at Victory in Motion. So the stat that I love to give everyone is for every pound you lose, that's 4 pounds of pressure off of your knees. Okay, so that's a ton of pressure off of your knees. Obviously, the less weight that you can have on your knees, the less strain that they go through, and the less hard your muscles have to work and everything like that to move you, right? The other thing is when you are obese, or you're heavier than what the BMI or your body fat should be, right? You tend to have greater inflammation. So that's why we have our genetic-based nutrition portion of the VSlim program as well, to get your diet right, make sure it's a low inflammatory diet, make sure that you're eating correctly to not inflame your body. So by decreasing inflammation, taking weight off of your knees, you are decreasing knee pain by default.